Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching JavaScript series for beginners. Well, the previous video, we've seen about the methods in arrays. Now, let's get out of arrays. There's something called as objects in JavaScript. Yes, some kind of object-oriented programming, isn't it? Well, objects make things are alive easy in JavaScript. Let me show you how an object will look like in JavaScript. So, an object in the sense like not exactly an object, but let's see how it actually looks like. So let me create an user object. User is equal to using the braces. Now I'm going to write three of the properties of my user. So he has a username, use a colon, and then the name. So let's give like WebDevMentors and use a comma, enter again, first name, fname, space, WebDevMentors. Well, what to give for last name for the channel? Well, last name, let's give channel. Okay, so I have three values for my object. Now, how to actually access this? So user, we obviously have that user in here. Now, in order to access the values inside my object, all I have to use is dot username. Simple enough. So now I can access the username of my object. So see that? Now let me actually access the fname, the first name. Save it, run it. It works fine. Now it's not like you just can save your strings in here. You can even go for like count the numbers, and then you can even go for an array in here. First, sorry that, second, third, and this level of objects can actually go deeper. You can nest objects inside an object. So object, you can create object within an object. So sub object, what to write in here? Come on, I'm running out of words, isn't it? Okay, page. Okay, now let's save it. Let's actually try to access everything. So array of 0. So this is how you access an array. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I did some mistake. Probably a comma, unexpected identifier on 11. Okay, yep, I missed out a comma. Let's run it again. Now you can see that first is coming. So let's actually access the second level object in here. So let's delete it first. Object dot sub object. Let's run it. I think I used yeah, see, it's working fine. So you can go beyond this level. You can go for an object inside this as well, and then an object inside that as well. But there's a catch. Now you have object-oriented programming which can run on a server where you can actually control how fast or how much memory it takes up. But when you're writing it on the JavaScript, as I said before, it's a complete client-side program. So based on the actual power of the system of your user, it might have some effect. So what if your user is having pretty old PC or laptop or something you call as mobile phone, and you're running a JavaScript in that? What if the device your user is having does not have enough memory to handle your JavaScript? That'll be a trouble, isn't it? So that is the reason why you have to make sure that you're not having multi-levels, 3 to 4 levels of objects going on. So that will affect the performance of your code, at the same time might affect the performance of their device as well. Don't get into a situation where like people think that, okay, your website is acting strange and also making my device very slow, so maybe some kind of malware. That is a problem. So try not to use objects too much, the levels of objects too much, but you can still use objects. Not many will be using objects. Some don't even know there is an object in JavaScript. So the performance issue might be a factor if you're using objects in your code. So try to use them in a simplest way, not too much. Okay, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like the video and also share the video with your friends or anyone you think will be benefited by this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The channel needs a lot of subscribers. And if you have any issues, comments, suggestions or feedbacks, leave them in the comment section of this video, or else you can contact me through the Facebook page, Twitter feed, Google Plus page. You can find the links of those pages in the description section of this video. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video. Keep watching the series.